What's going on, guys? We're out here at the Houston Cars and Coffee. It's an awesome turnout here today. There's a ton of exotics out here, Lambos, Ferraris, McLarens. I pulled in about 15 minutes late and all the parking spots were already taken. I'm parked up along the stones over there. So we're gonna walk around, we can check out some of these cars. I'm gonna keep this video nice and short and sweet. We actually have 2 other car shows this weekend, so I'll probably just kind of lump all the videos here together. So I'm gonna walk around here and check out some of the cars. Hope you guys enjoy. Man, so I'm over here, I'm looking at this Aventador SV, and I'm just really appreciating the details on it. Dude, I've always loved Lambos. I mean, growing up as a kid, you always love Lambos. I really love my 720 based off the looks of it, but never really stood out to me before. But this SV, I think it might just be all the. Man, I don't know how to explain it. I guess it's just all the color accents on the rear of it here just really make everything pop and just make all those lines and everything more just scream even more. You guys got to check this thing out. Yeah, so I don't know how hard it is to see, but obviously you got all the carbon fiber on this rear diffuser back here. Just all the accents, just wrapping all the lines there. Just looks really awesome. The super aggressive diffuser on the bottom down here. Obviously, you know, the beautiful wing on it. This is the SV, not the SVJ. So the wing's a little different than, like if you're looking at Street Speed's SVJ, the wing's a little different on it. The glass covers on the engine bay back here, just sick looking. Just everything about this car is beautiful. It really makes me question, what do you guys think? 720 or do we consider checking something like this out? I mean, this thing's just mean looking. Just the presence of that car is just sick. Obviously, we look over here. You know, Ferrari. I'm not too cultured on my Ferraris, but I think this might be a 488. Walk down through here, another nice Ferrari. I guess looks like Philadelphia Ferrari might have sat this out here to see. Nasty looking R8. Oh man, gotta check out the carbon here. It's just nasty looking. I don't know how well you guys can see it in the video. That's pretty sick. Of course, you can't go wrong with a convertible Huracan either. The wheel color on this is pretty sick. Of course, it's a Performante, so you got all the nice stitching and stuff on the seats. Nice Gallardo. And of course, my buddy Amir's GT3 RS. Never get tired of seeing that thing, even though I see it every weekend. So we have got a Mclaren Gt here. I see a lot of 570s, a lot of 720s. The GT's kind of just that interesting spot. You don't see it very often. We're gonna check this out. Ironically, it's kind of funny they have a car seat in the passenger seat there, if you guys can see. Of course, it's got the typical Mclaren doors. Looks a lot more like my 570 doors did than the 720 doors, where it's just one hinge point instead of being up on the roof also. Walk over here, there's a real sick Murcielago here. Don't really see these very often. A lot of nostalgia with this car. Definitely love them. Definitely very iconic. This thing's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's in amazing condition. Wow, there's air vent inlets there. That's sick. Looks like Del Lambo. I'll definitely be giving that guy a follow. Check his stuff out. I love the crypto plate on here. That's great. Dual exhaust centered out the back. So many Lambos, so many R8s here today. It's awesome. Absolutely love the wrap on this R8. I guess you'd call it like the sand color, I guess. It's really sick looking. Looks awesome. Got a beautiful looking Trans Am here. I have a soft spot for these things. Most of you guys probably don't know. My first two cars were Firebirds, so I absolutely love F-body cars. This one's in beautiful shape. T-tops, of course. Thing's beautiful. Pretty wild looking color on this GTR. Hopefully you guys can see it in the video. It's almost like a color change type wrap. It's pretty sick looking. Nice carbon fiber hood on it. Staying here checking out this Gallardo. It's Underground Racing Stage 3. It's making about $13.50 to the wheel on, I think he said on 93. So that's freaking moving. Beautiful car. Obviously, you know, we got the Huracan beside it here. Yeah, it's an absolute beautiful car. Standing here chatting with the guy for a little while. Maybe I'll convince him to give me a ride here one day. I'd love to see what 1,350 horsepower and an old school Gallardo like that would feel like. That'd be pretty sick. Going through checking out plates as we're walking around. I think this one might take the cake. Literally. Got a nice Huracan Evo sitting here. Looks like Philly Lambo brought this one out. Gotta love the seats on the Evo. Pretty simplistic, but pretty clean, pretty nice looking.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-four weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit.
Checking out this Mercedes GT here. These things are freaking gorgeous. Just everything about this car, just the presence of the car. I don't know how much you guys can really see it in the video, but when you see one of these things in person, they're just like big, just beefy car. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a car on steroids. I mean, it's big. You just feel the presence of it. It's a beautiful looking car. I feel like eventually this might be the ultimate daily driver. Might have to track one of these bad boys down one day. Don't know how well you can see through the tinted windows here. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Everything about this car, it It's big and it's nasty, but it's elegant at the same time. It's just a beautiful car. All right, guys, so things are wrapping up here. It was a freaking awesome show today. Tons of awesome cars. I tried to change it up a little bit and try to talk a little more about the cars instead of just giving you guys, just showing the cars with the music in the background. So, you know, drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like me talking about the cars, or would you rather me just shut up and show them to you? So drop me a comment. Let me know. So that's it for this show. I'll catch you guys in the next one.